Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing how I actually edit my videos together and yeah, and well pretty much how I make all my videos. So obviously you gotta record first, which I already did. So I have this app called CapCut. So there you go, that's me talking about random stuff. And yes, this video will be uploaded to YouTube. So here, I'll go back. I kind of lost over that. So you can see this is what I have in my YouTube file. And if you guys are starting a YouTube channel, any of you guys, I really recommend getting this app. They're completely free, except for YouTube. I think YouTube costs money, but other than YouTube, all of them are free. So you got YouTube, YouTube Studio, Photo, and CapCut. I did a video on Photo a little bit ago with thumbnails. And yeah, CapCut is really important because that's what I use to edit. Not sponsored, sadly, because I only have like 26 subscribers. I'm not going to get sponsored at 26. I guess there you go. So, it's pretty simple, really. I don't have to do much. I took a picture of the thank you. There you go. Bam. Click that. I want this to be exactly 30 seconds long because that's how long I'm going to run the encode with all the little links and whatnot to everything. I don't know what I'm trying to say, man. I'm kind of tired. Yeah, okay, there we go. So then we just did the video part. Boop. Export. So now the video is just loading the recording plus what I edited onto the video into just my normal photos. And also on CapCut, it's pretty cool. You can also edit sounds into it. That's how you can make a good YTP. I used to do YTPs on iMovie, like in, what was it? I forgot what the video was called. It's, the Indecipherable I did on iMovie, which I'm sure you all are familiar with that. But I'm gonna do my new YTPs where I will do more YTPs in the future. And I'm gonna use CapCut for that because I can export sounds and extract them from video and put them into sound, and that's going to come out really useful with editing. Yeah, so I'm really excited for that to happen. So yeah, back to what I'm doing. You can see video being exported. So you have to keep it open. You can't even like, here I'll show you in a minute. I can't do it right now because it's exported. But yeah, so you just wait here on the app. You don't want to touch your phone or anything unless it starts to turn off or something weird like that. And come on. There's my face with my big nose. I feel like my nose is really big. I don't know why. I don't know. It probably is. But there you go. Let's just do done. That was the video. It's saved to my photos. Now let's go to Photo. So, what are we making? We are making a video. Yeah, so let's think about this. What would the thumbnail be? So I was talking about how I had to scrap a video. So, I don't know, let's just do like video icon. I think, yeah, let's do like a camera. Bam. And you know, now it has a little checkered. Let's see here. That's kind of good. I like that. I'll take it. So, pretty much, bam. Screenshot that. So this is a video where, I'm pretty sure I already said this, but I had to scrap one of my videos because there were a bunch of stuff wrong with it. And yeah, so this is making the thumbnail for that. Bam. Let's come to here. Wait, no, not to there. Let's go to, I have a lot of apps, jeez. Go to Photo. photos. Bam, bam. Actually, not let's do like, I don't know. Video scrapped. I don't know. You gotta be dramatic, okay? It's the law. It wasn't really a big deal. It was just kind of annoying. Okay, style. Here you go. Bam. Yeah, we need to add some color because you can see like nothing. Video scrapped. Oh my gosh. That's insane. So it's a little bit to give it some jazzy stuff or something. It's just, I don't know, let's do like a whoa face, you know, that, oh my gosh. You know? Like, oh! So stupid, I don't know why I do this. Well, there you go, it's like, oh my gosh. You know? It's like, oh man, I like emojis. And like, I don't know, I can just do like a random emoji. That'd be kind of funny. Okay. Let's do, I don't know, maybe like a thumbs down. Thumbs down? I had to stop my video. Whatever shall I do? Okay, bam, that was pretty simple. Thumbnail. So it was PNG, okay. And it always plays an ad there. It's kind of weird. Let's do, wait, no, we don't need to go to YouTube Studio yet. We go to YouTube. Go to that. Go upload video. Select more photos or videos. That one. I think, yeah, that one. So let's do bam. Bam. Hello everyone. Bam. Bam. Okay. Create title. I had to scrap a video. Oh my gosh. 3 exclamation points to really show. Like, wow. I like really had to scrap that thing like really badly. Okay. Now, let's do it here. And for description, let's do hi. I said that really bad. I had to scrap an Among Us video, which is kind of blah. I don't know what I'm saying. Kind of blah. Oops. No, I don't know fonts. So, yeah. That wasn't fun. And to all you teachers watching out there, which is only like one, I put the thing, I forgot what it's called, an apostrophe. Bam, baby. So yeah, that wasn't fun. And it would have like, you know, emoji that's just like, oh no, I want to do the blur one. No. Let's see if you type board. Yes, that's the mood right there. Yes, so what do I? Yeah, okay, cool. I should have done that in the thumbnail. That'd be funny. I ain't putting my location, dude. I don't know. Okay. So there you go. That is uploading without a thumbnail. Sorry. I thought I heard something. Videos. Click on that. Click the pencil. Click that thing again. Custom thumbnail. Photo. Okay. Perfect. Select, save, and there you go. So that is how I make my YouTube videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day. Okay, bye guys.